G Lava.
I don't know where to start, guys. All I can say is that it's happening again. It's happening again. Now, if you've been following the channel, you would know that about 2 months ago, my axle seal started to leak, and I had it fixed by the dealer, and now it's leaking once again. Now, I went to the dealer 2 days ago and tried to get it fixed. Not the same dealer I've been to, a different one. And they say they couldn't warranty it because I have half the market lift kit on the Gladiator. So now I'm gonna have to fix it myself, right? Because the first dealer, they told me the reason why my axle seal was leaking was because of that spacer. Excuse me. Was because of that spacer on the coil springs, right? So now I'm gonna have to fix it myself. And when I mean myself, I mean physically fix it myself, because I don't want to pay nobody to do it, right? So I'm gonna do it myself. It's not like I can't do it. It's just that I never done it before, but I know I can do it, right? I worked on cars, trucks, my tractor trailer all the time, but sometimes I just rather pay somebody who know what they're doing. Now, do I know? Have I done this before? No, right? Never done this before, but I know I'm confident I can do it, right? So let me show you guys my axle seal and show you that it is in fact leaking. Now, what I'm planning on doing is I'm planning on replacing the factory coil springs, take out that spacer, get some longer springs, no spacers. I'm not going to use no more spacer, just in case, I don't want to go through the same problem. So I'm going to try just replacing the coil springs, and then I'm going to replace the axle seals, right? So I got to get those unordered and take it from there. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you can stay up to date on what I got going on here, because we need to get this fixed. So let me show you the axle seal. Let me turn this camera around. Here we go. Put a light up in there. Alright guys, there it is. It is leaking on the same side. Front axle, passenger side. And as you can see down there, that's a fresh spot. You can see the old spot that I had before and a new spot. So yeah, it's leaking pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, this is not my daily driver. Alright, so what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm going to check how much fluid I have in the axle. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to add fluid in there, but I took this Jeep off-roading about a month ago, right? And I'm not sure if axle seal started leaking when I took it off road. And I do know that I went in a lot of water, deep water, so it's a possibility if this seal was leaking on the trails, it's a possibility water probably, a little bit of water probably get in there, right? So I think I'm going to drain the fluid and add new fluid. But also, I think I'm going to use a thicker fluid, like um, the tow rating fluid that they normally put. You would normally use if you're towing stuff on a daily. You would normally use a thicker fluid in the axles. So I'm going to use a thicker fluid just because it's leaking, and I'm hoping it won't leak as much because the fluid is thicker. All right, so anyway, that's going to be on the next video. I'm probably going to do that video today, but I'm just going to separate them, just put that on a separate video. So again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date. And like I said, we're going to fix this front axle seal ourselves because we can do that. We can do it. Anyway, guys, I see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.